Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be looking at adding your phone number here in Roblox, but unfortunately, you don't see the option to add it. Well, in this case, there are a few reasons and a few things here that you could try. So first things first, you want to go to your Roblox account here and you want to go to your settings. Now at the top right, let's go and click on the gear icon and click on settings. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to look for the phone number section. So usually it's going to be under account info and just underneath the username section. Now, if you don't see the phone number option here, there are a few reasons. So the most likely reason here, or the most direct reason here, that in this case you don't have the phone number option, it means that the current country or your current region does not support phone number, or adding a phone number into your Roblox account, which is really unfortunate because if you're not aware, Roblox accounts have different regions. So again, it might not support adding a phone number. Now, in some cases, if you still, or in this case, in a country that is that has the option to add a phone number, but still you don't see the phone number option here, then in this case, what you need to do is you first need to verify your age. So usually you just need to go to the personal section here, and usually you have the option to confirm your date of birth, which also would verify your age. Now, typically, you just need to click on verify age here and proceed with the following steps, like, for example, providing an ID or valid ID. And once your age has been verified, you should now have the option to add your phone number. Now, in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.